Hi, today we're looking at a kitchen remodel. This is the final project. Our client had this beautiful kitchen, but she said every time she walked in there, between the busy granite and the busy backsplash, she got dizzy. She just couldn't stand it any longer and called and said, "Can you help me with some remodeling?" The first thing we did was choose some backsplash, and she loved this one because it had the traces of caramel here around the edges. That little caramel color picked up the caramel in her granite countertop. This was a dowel tile remedy, or alchemy is the name of the tile, and she chose this pattern. So what's the first thing to do when replacing a backsplash? Well, the first thing we actually did was to cover all of the beautiful granite countertops to protect them. The existing tile was removed and under-counter lighting was installed. Next, they tore out or cut out the backboard that was already there so that they could install Titan or Hardy board to replace the old board. And then the tile installation began. And you see those little blue clips everywhere? Those are called tile spacers, and they help to align the tiles during the installation and help to keep the tiles from moving while the adhesive is setting. It's very important. It helps ensure that the gaps between the tiles are of a consistent width so that when you go to grout, your grout lines are all the same. Keeps the tile level too. Very important to use those when installing backsplash or any kind of tile. The final results, wow, look at the differences backsplash made. The kitchen has become a show place or a showpiece. I love the way it looks. It was so elegant. The new backsplash really complemented the granite counters and cabinets, and it doesn't look so busy that you feel overwhelmed and dizzy.